Hi, welcome to this video. We're going to guide you through how to get Binance live chat. So first of all, what you need to do, click the headphones at the top right, the headphones icon. Okay. Inside, it will take you to some of the articles to help you out, with most common FAQs, hot topics, etc. And then what you're going to do, hit get support right here, the last option. Okay. Now what you're going to do, you can just type P2P trading, right? P2P. And of course, the AI will just tell you exactly what P2P is and how it's functioned and how to use it, etc. And afterwards, you can just type customer support or customer service, right? Once you send this, right, the AI will say, yeah, it said, to resolve your inquiry more effectively, please provide additional details about the issue you are experiencing, right? Make sure that you include maybe there is P2P restrictions, etc. Any problem that you face on Binance, and then the AI will say, okay, you need a human support, and verify by hitting OK inside the chat, and you're going to wait 5 to 10 minutes until someone reaches out. So consider liking this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Until next time, see you.